Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right into today's topic, which is regarding Solana. First and foremost, just want to say thanks to each and every one of you guys, my Solana family. You guys been showing tremendous amount of support since the beginning. I love you all, and I just want to say thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated. But now if we're looking at the price of Solana right now, it is currently trading at $20.58, down 2.6% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also down 1.4% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. And if we're looking at the market cap is currently sitting at $8 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at $250.7 million. But now comes the question, is Solana about to go more towards the downside? What exactly is happening with Solana? What is the analysis? So let's waste no more time and get right into it. As always, just a quick disclaimer, of course, if you guys know the good old jazz, a disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So if we're looking at the price of Solana right now, guys, you guys can see since the year of 2023 has started, we have mainly, except this one time after, Bitcoin did go to that $19,900 level. Besides that, we have been trading above this level of support at $18.21, and this support did play out for us as we expected it to do so. And right now, a lot of people are saying Solana is on the boring end again. A lot of people, I get these comments on a regular basis. Solana is boring again. It's not moving. It's not seeing those parabolic type of moves. Let me tell you guys one thing. We're not going to see those parabolic type of moves until this number goes down. Let's just make this number our best friend right now. This BTC dominance number needs to go down towards the downside. That's when we will see the parabolic moves. But with that said, with the Bitcoin momentum, if Bitcoin continues its upside, and if we're looking at the price of Bitcoin right now, Bitcoin is still in the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level, holding extremely strong right now, looking extremely bullish. And if it were to break out of this level of resistance towards the upside, Solana is obviously going to be impacted. The momentum is going to impact that. We are going to see Solana obviously break more towards the upside too. But those parabolic moves that we're used to seeing in altcoin season when things are going insane. We're seeing altcoins go absolutely madness in just maybe a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Those type of moves only occur when BTC dominance goes towards the downside and Bitcoin trades something like Solana. So that's when altcoins start moving. And this is, again, I keep telling people, if you are a believer on Solana, and I've said this again, and everything on my channel is my own personal opinion. I speak with what I think. I'm not telling you guys to think like me, and I always say this on every single video of mine. I've said this. But what I'm personally thinking is, I'm thinking historically, and I compare everything historically. And not only that, you can be saying, oh, everything historically, blah, blah, blah. That doesn't always work. Of course, we also need to see what the project is doing. Is the project just stagnant? Is the project really the same as it was 2 years ago? No, Solana is not the same as it was 2 years ago. The ecosystem has gone up insane. So much, exposure into that new ecosystem, despite so much uncertainty in the late last year. Still, the ecosystem is growing as days go by. And in the next 2 years, in my personal opinion, I do believe that a lot of people are going to be looking back at Solana at $20 and kicking themselves we missed out big time. And I really do believe this is still a great opportunity for Solana lovers. If you love Solana and you have some money on the sidelines that you do want to dollar cost average in, right now is still a good time to be dollar cost averaging rather than picking it up when it has pumped up. But with that said, now comes the question a lot of people want to know: could we see Solana go even more towards the lower side, or potentially see the prices that we have seen just on March 27th at that $19.28? And let me tell you guys that right now. So you guys can see the support line right here. We are being supported right now, and there's also another lifeline support, which you can call it. I like calling it lifeline support, which is around that $20.09 mark. If we lose that support line, we are definitely in to retest this $19.47 mark, and that is definitely on the table right now. And if I bring out the measuring tool for you guys, that is a move of about only 5%. But if we lose that support, now keep that in mind, if we lose that support, you guys can see the importance of that $19.82 mark. If we lose that, we could potentially retest the $18.13 mark, and that only happens if Bitcoin continues to see more downside, maybe possibly retesting $27,235. If that were the case, Bitcoin dominance stays towards the upside like this, then yes, we could potentially see Solana retesting that zone. So a lot of factors right now we need to be looking at. Altcoin season is definitely nowhere close because Bitcoin dominance is still quite high. But if you are accumulating right now, if you're still accumulating your bags right now, still I believe this is the right time to be dollar cost averaging in. If you do have money that you can afford to lose, and especially if you're in it for the long haul, you don't care about the short-term gains, you don't care about Solana being $27, $30, $40, you care about what the price is going to be in the next 2 years, then now is the time to be picking some obviously dollar cost averaging in and having patience, of course, staking your Solana if possible for you and earning some passive income off of that. But this is currently the scenario that's looking like for Solana. If anything were to change, of course I will keep you guys updated. Love each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much for all the support. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.